Aloha mai kako. This is Kumu Kavelao Ke Aloha Right, coming to you from my house in Pauoa on the island of Oahu. And I'm going to run through how it is that you navigate this course so that you know what you're doing and how to get the information that you need. All right, so let's get started. So we're starting here on our Laulima site. On the overview page. So you see all of these links on the left, all of these tabs on the left-hand side are different pages. So we're starting on the overview page. I have included on this page a section here that tells you how to get started, right? So I want to let you know that if you have any questions regarding the Laulima site, you can contact the help desk at help@hawaii.edu, or you can scroll down here at the very bottom of every Laulima page. There is a link here that says request assistance, and that takes you to their phone number as well as their email address. All right, so how we're going to get started. So first thing that you're going to do is you are going to go to the Start Here page located in the left menu bar. And on this page, you'll see, up here, go to the Start Here page. I've included this video on how to navigate the course site. If we continue to scroll down, we've got information on the course technology that we'll be using. As well as the required hardware and software. Now, the UH-IT department highly recommends using the Firefox browser for Laulima because other browsers may not work as well. Okay, here's the technical support area. And after you've read everything on this page, please go to the next tab, the next menu tab on the left-hand side, which happens to be our syllabus tab. Scroll back up here, show you where that is. Okay, if we click on that, you will see that we've got our syllabus here. And once you've read through all of that, it's very important to read it through very carefully because each of these pages really does contain all the information that you're going to need to know to be successful in this course, right? So read it very, very thoroughly. And then after you've read the course syllabus, please check off that you have indeed read it and submit your answer. All right, on the left-hand side here, we have weekly pages, and these pages here definitely, well, these pages here are going to contain everything that you need. All of the learning materials for this course can be found here under these weekly tabs. Okay, so let's see. Got week 1 here and all of the subsequent weeks below it. But let's take a look at what happens when you access week 1. So click on this and it takes you to our week 1 site, our week 1 page. Okay, it's got a little bit of an introduction, tells you how long you need to be expecting. Now, just to cover that very quickly, you need to know that you probably will be spending 10 to 15 hours per week in this course, and you will probably need to be spending that amount of time in order to be successful. Okay, so please don't wait until the last minute to get your work done. All right, so if we scroll down here, well, first of all, you'll see that we have this checklist of everything that's due this week. Okay, as you get things done, go ahead and check them off. That way you can keep track of exactly what you're doing and when it's due and what things are already completed. All learning materials are accessed from this same page. All right, so you can see here's learning materials and activities. We have 3 different parts to this particular week. So part 1 covers oceanic navigation. And here's this link right down here that says part 1 contact oceanic navigation. If you click on that link, it takes you to a Satori page. I'm going to click on it so you can get an idea of how this works. And this is our Satori page. Okay. If you scroll down, you will see all of these boxes that have all of your learning materials in it. Okay, you'll see that in the first box there are study terms for midterm 1. These are the terms that you're going to need to know. So as you are going through and reading these articles that are also posted here, these are the terms that you're going to want to look for. Very important that you do this up front, because you don't want to wait until the last minute when you are ready to take your midterm and have to go back to all of these readings. All right, so if it's here, you should definitely take a look at it and read it, right? So this is, it says read this short article to learn about how OFA's idea of alternative ways to think about Oceania. And you can go ahead and just read that on your screen. You can click on this to make it a full screen, or print it out, whatever you want to do. This is a video that you're going to need to watch. If you click on this box here, it takes you directly to the video. And so, yeah, this is how you find all of your learning materials. Once you're done going through all of this, right, then you would go back to our Laulima site, and you would continue on to part 2. Same thing, same process. You click on this, it takes you to the part 2 content, and likewise for part 3. All right, so now for assignments, you will see that your first assignment here is an introduction Flipgrid video. Okay, we're going to do introductions using a site called Flipgrid. And basically what happens is you click on this blue link and it takes you directly to our site. All right, and then you just go ahead and use the I've actually left a video there with an example of how of what I want to know and what your other classmates want to know also, right? Okay, so introduce yourself on Flipgrid. Second assignment is a summary of the Navigators video. You're going to want to write a 2-page summary. When you click on this link, it should take you directly to the assignment itself. Yep. And you can just either type in this box or go ahead and use some kind of like Google Docs or Word, and go ahead and attach it, right? Attach it here and submit it. Well, you have to check this honor pledge as well. Submit it, and then you can go ahead and wait for me to grade it. All right, so let's see, let's get back here. So the third assignment is a discussion post and replies. And likewise, when you click here, it's going to take you directly to that discussion post. Okay, so let's just take a look at that real quickly. When you get there, you'll see there's a full description here, and it tells you exactly what you need to do. Okay, you have to do at least 250 words to answer these two questions. It says exactly when your post is due, that they're due on Saturdays by 11:55 p.m. And then your replies to 2 of your colleagues need to be done by 11:55 on Monday. Again, this is a rubric here that you will be able to access that tells you exactly how I will be grading your discussion posts. Okay, so you can refer to that if you have any questions. All right, let's get back here. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to take a syllabus quiz. So the syllabus quiz is, you're going to take it right on Laulima. Again, all you do is click here and it'll take you directly to that quiz. All right, again, if you have any questions, you're able to contact Laulima Help Desk or myself. Both of our contact information is here, and please be checking your email often, because this is how I am going to be able to communicate with you, is by email, right? This is an online course, so please be checking your email regularly, at least once a day. That way I can be sure that you are getting the messages that I'm sending out. All right. Okay, well, Gangi, I'm super excited to get to know all of you. You can get in there at 6 o'clock tomorrow, at 6 o'clock in the morning, right? Is when this site opens. So get in there, you can do your work. I'm really going to be looking forward to taking a look at what it is you turn in and learning from you. All right, so have a great day. Stay safe out there. Malama pono. Aloha.